संसार सब दुखिया रहे न कोई, यह अभिलाषा हम सब की भगवन पूरी हो रे भगवन, भगवन पूरी हो। विद्या बुद्धि तेज बल सबके अंदर होए, दूध पूत धन ध्यान से वंचित रहे न कोई रे भगवन, वंचित रहे न कोई। आपकी भक्ति प्रेम से मन होवे भरपूर, राग द्वेष से चित्त मेरा कोसो भागे दूर भगवन, कोसो भागे दूर। मिले भरोसा नाम का हमें सदा जगदीश, आशा तेरे धाम की बनी रहे मम ईश्वर भगवन, बनी रहे मम ईश। हमें बचाओ पाप से करके दया दया, अपना भक्त बनाए कर हमको करो निहाल रे भगवन, हमको करो निहाल। दिल में दया उदारता, मन में प्रेम अपार, धैर्य हृदय में विराता, सबको दो करतार रे भगवन, सबको दो करतार। नारायण तुम आप हो पाप विमोचन हार, क्षमा करो अपराध सब कर दो जग से पार भगवन, कर जो जग से पार। हाथ जोड़ विनती करूं सुनिए कृपा निधान, साधु संगत सुख दीजिए दया नम्रता दान रे भगवन, दया नम्रता दान। सुखी बसे संसार सब दुखिया रहे न कोई, यह अभिलाषा हम सब की भगवन पूरी हो रे भगवन, भगवन पूरी हो रे भगवन, भगवन पूरी हो। हाथ जोड़ लेते, दोनों को जोड़ नवा कर शीश विनय हम करते हैं जगदीश। दोनों को जोड़ नवा कर शीश विनय हम करते हैं जगदीश, विनय हम करते हैं जगदीश। विद्या बुद्धि नहीं है पास, विद्या बुद्धि नहीं है पास, हमें बनाओ अपना दास, हमें बनाओ अपना दास। दीजिए हमको विद्या दान, दीजिए हमको विद्या दान, करे जग का कल्याण, करे जग का कल्याण। दीन दुखी के दुख हरे, दीन दुखी के दुख हरे, मात पिता की सेवा करे, मात पिता की सेवा करे। बुद्धि धन का ना करे अभिमान, बुद्धि धन का ना करे अभिमान, यही विनती करते हैं भगवान, यही विनती करते हैं भगवान। दोनों को जोड़ नवा कर शीश विनय हम करते हैं जगदीश, विनय हम करते हैं जगदीश, विनय हम करते हैं जगदीश। ये जो प्रार्थना का मैंने अभी मंत्र पढ़ा, अगर आप पीजी में हिंदी पढ़े हो तो ये पीजी की हिंदी की पहली पोथी में ये प्रार्थना से शुरू होता था हमारा कार्रवाई रोज का। डेली ये प्रार्थना करते थे। ये चून तो मैंने अपने बना लिया, पहले हम बिना चून के गाते थे। ईश्वर हम कहते हैं कृपा निधान, कृपा निधान forgiving. जैसे बच्चे कुछ बुरा कर देते, उल्टा कर देते, माता पिता कहते हैं इट्स अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस. बच्चे गिर जाते हैं, खेलते हैं, घाट पे चोट लग जाता है, दवा दर्पण हो जाता है, चलो इट्स अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस. मगर जब बच्चा वही बार बार करता है, रोज घाटी फोड़ के आता है, तो 2-3 बार में माता जी पिताजी कहेंगे क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्यों रोज घाटी फोड़ के आते हो, दवा मालूम करते हैं, फिर वही काम करते हो, क्या होता है, क्या हो रहा है. तो जब माता पिता देखेंगे कि बच्चा स्वयं गलत कर रहा है तो उसको सुधार करेंगे. इसी तरह हम भी अपने जीवन में न जाने कितने गाठी माथा फोड़ लेते हैं, फिर मलम पट्टी हो जाता है, फिर जाके माथा गाठी फोड़ते हैं. तो हमें सीखना चाहिए. We learn from our experiences, but better still if we can learn from others' experience. We don't have to put ourselves through their pain. But sometimes it's like that. We cannot learn from others' experience. We have to experience ourselves. So there are certain things that we have to and we need to experience ourselves. जैसे अगर आपको तैरना है तो मैं आपको दिखा दिया कैसे तैरना समुद्र में, नदी में, पानी में. और जब तक आप स्वयं उतरोगे नहीं तब तक आप तैरना नहीं सीखोगे. स्विमिंग तैरना. तो खाता मैं समुद्र में था. ऐसे एक मजाक किया, ऐसे एक मजाक किया, तैरना स्विमिंग किया तो मुझे याद आ गया. एक बार एक आदमी पुल क्रॉस कर रहा था तो नीचे एक दिखता नदी में का आदमी इसी से कर रहा ना, कहता क्या कर रहा है, ऊपर से देख रहा है, थोड़ा ऊपर है, बचाओ बचाओ, क्या देखा तो डूब रहा है. तो जल्दी से दौड़ के गया, उसको पानी में से खींच लिया. तो उसने कहा धन्यवाद, आपने मुझे बचा लिया, मुझे नए जीवन दे दिया, और मैं वादा करता हूँ आपसे जब तक मैं तैरना ना सीख लूं मैं पानी में जाऊंगा नहीं. एग्जैक्टली तो रहा पानी में है, फिर आप डुबकी लगाता तो सीख लेता. इसी तरह हमें गुरु की आवश्यकता होती है. गुरु उसको कहते हैं, माता पिता पहला गुरु है, आचार्य, विद्वान लोग जो जिनके पास स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज है, जिनके पास दिव्य विद्या है. दिव्य विद्या कहते हैं मेटाफिजिकल नॉलेज, द नॉलेज बियॉन्ड द फिजिकल, स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज, एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल नॉलेज, मेटाफिजिकल नॉलेज, स्पिरिट नॉलेज. उनसे कनेक्शन कीजिए. जैसे एक बार मॉन्क जानते हो ना, बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क होते हैं, तो ये मॉन्क ट्रेनिंग के लिए गया, तो सुबह सुबह उसको मेडिटेशन सिखाते. तो दो उनके गुरु थे, दो गुरु थे, उनको बोट में बैठाकर नदी के बीच में शानदार एक जगह पे बैठाकर, क्वाइट एटमॉस्फेयर, so they were meditating, you know. Couple of weeks went by. So one day one of the monks said, oh, I think I forgot my kanthi mala on the edge of the river, I'll go get it. So this monk gets out of the boat in the middle of the river, gets out of the boat and walks on the water and goes and gets his kanthi mala. And this new student was very impressed. Wow, after meditation we can walk on water. So another few days went by and the other monk says, you know, I left my जो बेल बजाते हैं वो, मैं अपना घंटी भुला गया. तो भी he got off the boat and walked on the water. This young chela, you know, students say, wow, this is amazing. I thought that was a coincidence. Now this is confirmed. So about a month went by. So one day the chela says, you know, can I try to, you know, walk on the water? Go for it. So he gets out of the boat and goes down. So pull him up. Oh, not ready yet. So weeks went by, months went by, about a year went by. He was still not able to walk on water. Then one day one of the monks says, why don't we tell him where the stones are? That is the difference between a guru and a sishya. The guru knows where all the pitfalls are, where all the obstacles are and where all the stepping stones are. So ये उपनिषदों की कथा है. अगर आपको मौका लगे तो उपनिषदों की जो कथा होती है उसको पढ़े. It's like dumbed down stories, मजाकिया, for us to learn. Like जैसे कल मैंने कहा, if you do not know, you do not know, you do not know, then you are wasting your time on this planet. Somebody other needs to, straighten you up, or you'll just pass on as a failed soul. And those who know that they do not know, they are teachable. They need to be taught. They know that there are some unknowns. That means they are able to learn. And those who do not know they know are asleep. We need to awaken them. And those who know that they know are wise. Om sam samidhuvase vritena agne vishwanaraya iraspade samidhayase sano vasunaya. हे प्रभु तुम शक्तिशाली हो बनाते सृष्टि को. वेद सब गाते तुम्हें है, कीजिए धन वृष्टि को. प्रेम से मिलकर चलो, बोलो सभी ज्ञानी बनो. पूर्वजों की भांति तुम कर्तव्य के मानी बनो. हो विचार समान सबके, चित्त मन सब एक हो. ज्ञान देता हूँ बराबर, भोग्य पा सबने कहो. हो सभी के दिल तथा संकल्प अविरोधी सदा. मन भरे हो प्रेम से, जिससे बड़े सुख संपदा. मन भरे हो प्रेम से, जिससे बड़े सुख संपदा. मन, बुद्धि, अहंकार. माइंड, बॉडी एंड इंटेलेक्ट. There's a 3-letter word, Om. आ उमा. आ आया ब्रह्मा से जो सृष्टि का आरंभ किया. उ आया विष्णु से जो सृष्टि की उत्पत्ति किया, सस्टेनेंस किया. और माँ आया महेश्वरा से जो माँ पर ले किया, डिसोल्व किया. और एक और 3-letter word है, EGO. It is the exact opposite of Om. अहंकार. I am the great. एक ऐसे का राजा था, बहुत ही ग्रेट राजा था, लंकेश्वर, रावण. उसका सही नाम लंकेश्वर था क्योंकि लंका का राजा था. और रावण उसका क्या कहते हैं, उसकी स्पिरिचुअल नाम था. रा कहते हैं सूर्य को, रवि. वन कहते हैं जो हासिल कर लिया. He the power of the solar system. He knew the energy of the sun. We know because we are fire sign, right? We had a little meeting in the morning. तो कहते हैं अग्नि पहला देवता है. Egyptians prayed to the sun god Ra, Ravi. Christians pray to Sarah, Saraswati. They pray to Brahma, Abraham. Even Islam may be Ibrahim is Abraham, is Brahma. Oh, it's just different. Some people like to drive on the freeway, some people like to take the gondola, some people like to take the subway. Whatever is your vehicle, but it all leads to one path. Destination, exactly. our मंजिल जिसको कहते हैं. बहुत धन्यवाद. हम लोग जब पैदा होते हैं हम सब पशु, अभी भी हम सब पशु. यज्ञ हवन करते हैं, थोड़ी ऊपर आते हैं. हमें पशु से पशुपति बनना है. पशु किसको कहते हैं? एनिमल किंगडम में जितने हैं उसको पशु कहते हैं. वी आर पार्ट ऑफ द एनिमल किंगडम. किया होंगे स्कूल में, that humans are the top of the food chain. But we are not the masters of the food chain. We have to become Pashupati. We have to become the masters of humanity. And it happens from self-realization. You cannot learn it from others. Others can guide you towards it. But it's an experience you have to do yourself. अब जैसे मैंने एक तत्व ले लिया, मैंने कहा ये है हेबेनो है, हेबेनेरो, हेबेनेरो मिर्चा आपने कभी सुना नहीं, देखा नहीं, खाया नहीं, और मैं आपसे कहता हूँ इट्स वेरी हॉट, तो आपके को हॉट है, नहीं नहीं हॉट है, नहीं नहीं तीखा तीखा, वो हॉट, दूसरा हॉट, हाँ सुपर हॉट, 7.2 million Scoville of heat. तो मैं कहता हूँ जब इसको खाता हूँ अग्नि बढ़ती है, अग्नि मुंह में, अरे लाला अब के कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, मुंह में अग्नि बढ़ गया, अरे बात क्या है, जब तक वो स्वयं खाएगा नहीं उसको पता नहीं चलेगा तीखा है, तीखा. So this is तीखा. My son was about 2.5, 3 years old. This is in Fiji, and I love him. Ironing the clothes for the week. So I was ironing my clothes, and then I put the iron on top like that, and the silver shoe he'd always want to touch. I told him, oh, don't touch, it's hot. So I'm ironing, put it there, he goes, no, it's hot. He doesn't know what hot is. Third time, I let him touch it. He went, hot, hot. Sunisha. Hot, chicken ho gaya. That's heat. From that time, if I didn't do that, you'll never understand that I'm guiding you. From that time, that was a lesson for him. Anything mom or dad says is a real reason behind it. And later on, he'll ask and we'll tell him what the reason is. Even up till now. If he is doing something or we are asking him to do something and we give a reasonable explanation, he'll agree. And that's how we all should be. We should have reasonable doubt about everything, but at the same time, we should get over our doubts. जिसको कहते हैं वहम, वहम से निकलना है, अंधविश्वास से निकलना है, इस अंधेरा से निकलना है, इग्नोरेंस से बाहर निकलना है. कहते हैं ना, असतो मा सतगमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, मृत्युर्मा अमृतगमया. इसका अर्थ क्या है? असतो मा सतगमया, असत से हटकर हम सत्य की राह पे चले. तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, तमस किसको कहते हैं? इग्नोरेंस को. Tamasic, darkness, negativity. Tamasoma jyoti. Let's come from the ignorance to the light of knowledge. Mrityurma amritam gamaya. Let us lead ourselves from death to eternal life. And that only happens when we leave this body at the end of our schooling on this planet. When our schooling is over, our graduation certificate is the death certificate. That's we know we have graduated. But we leave it here anyways, we don't need it there. They have other certificates. So, what I'm saying is that we have time. God has given us a minimum of 100 years to live in Kali Yuga. In Dwapar Yuga it was 1000 years. In Treta Yuga it was 100,000, 10,000, and in Sat Yuga it was 100,000. Let's keep adding a zero. That's how the longevity of life was in those times. But the pendulum is on a downswing, we're going more into Kali Yuga, getting more into Kali Yuga. Everything is going to diminish, everything is going to get smaller. सबके मन भी कम होगा, आयु कम होगी, कद भी कम होगा, सब कुछ कम होते ही जाएगा.
पहले के बुढ़ा लोग 100 years plus later is still moving around, younger.
Yeah, exactly.
आजकल देखो 60, 70 अभी खलास.
तो ये जो 100 years है, is divided into 25-year segments. Quarter century, half century, three-quarter. The first 25 years is known as Brahmacharya, an age of learning, an age of experiencing. The first 25 years. 25 to 50 years is Grahastha Jivan, a householder. Procreate, progeny, multiply, learn, teach, move forward. 50 to 75 is Vanprasthi, Vanprasti means now that my children are all grown up, they are having their own children, it's time to hand over the duties that my responsibility is onto them. And now I liberate myself from being a householder, being a materialistic person. I become Vanprasti. One means my possessions, pras means to let it go. Let go of all your household responsibilities, all these menial tasks. You've been doing it for a quarter century, it's a long time.
Very true.
Huh? Oche wala na kapi.
Macam magtabi ng chalo, no? It's ladies.
Could be anywhere in the world
Then
and be spiritual. I mean,
Then 50 to 75 is your Vanprasti, where you are still learning other things, spirituality. Then 75 onwards. I don't want to say 75 to 100. Some people want to probably live to be 125. So 75 onwards, you live a life of spirituality. All the things that you have experienced in your lifetime. There's a lot of information that you can share with, not only with your family, but others as well. Spirituality, not their daily thing. It's like bhed nahi mare ke ye se karo, aise karo.
pero हाँ, इसी को- इस-
Be a guide, not a leader. Be a guide. A leader will lead. A guide will teach and lead. A guide will teach you how to lead, how to become a leader. And to become leaders, we have to be readers. We have to learn. We have to do swadhyaya. We have to study. Not only study about schoolwork and stuff. That's not the study I'm talking about. I'm talking about spiritual knowledge.
I
Divya
thought
Vidya.
that's 65.
Mhm.
I thought you said 75 is spiritual. I know.
75 onwards.
I thought 65.
No, if you want to start early, that's fine. You know what they call it, early start.
Right.
You can have an early start and achieve your goals. Some people have done it.
But number of things come into play now. Okay, health be important. If the health is not there, you can do it. It goes with the couple, I guess.
So, very true. Health is important. Jaisa an, vaisa man, vaisa tan. As we grow older, our activity graph keeps going up, but our health graph keeps going down. Now our mentality is still up there.
Right.
We don't realize, hey, wait a minute, my body is not able to do the things I used to do 10 years ago. So we have to be accommodative to our age factor. We have to change the pattern of our life. As you grow older, you'll have a tendency of sleeping less hours. That means you have more time to self-study, swadhyaya. You have more time to spend with family, spend with whatever your friends, people of your age group, people who are like-minded, people who have the same thoughts as you have. You will associate with them, so that they can learn and you can learn. How do we learn and teach? If you know answers to some things, you teach them, and if you don't have answers to other people's questions, you go and research. एक बार ऐसे मैंने अंत्येष्टि क्रिया किया, तो there was I'll speak in English so he doesn't get me out. You understanding?
I'm getting it.
तो मैंने आत्मा के विषय में बात किया, शरीर के विषय में बात किया, तो ये 10-12 साल का लड़का था, उसने आकर कहा, पंडित जी, what will happen if God runs out of souls?
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good question.
Yeah.
This is some time back. And I said, better I don't have the answer, but tomorrow when I come to do the Havan, I'll find you the answer. So that night I went home, and in the morning I was doing my Swadhyaya meditation, and I posed this question to the cosmos. I said, this is the question I have. I don't have an answer to it. So I was sitting down meditating, and suddenly I see an apple. I mean, in my mind's eye. I see an apple, my eyes are closed. I see an apple drop, and the apple is asking me a question, how many seeds inside of me? And I'm like, oh, I don't know. Cut it open, and the two halves opened up. And guess what? Did you know that fruits have odd numbered seeds only? You'll never find an even number of seeds in any fruit. Yes. So there were 11 seeds. I said, okay, I can see 11 seeds. So the apple disappeared and one seed remained. And the seed is kind of zooming in and out of me and asking me a question, how many apples inside me? I go, I don't know. When the seed drops in the earth, it roots, shoots, branches, leaves, fruits, and gazillion, exactly. Season after season after season, as long as the apple tree is there, there'll be apples. As long as there are apples, there will be seeds in the apple. As long as there are seeds in the apple, there will be multiple trees. And that tree is like Brahma, the creator, and everything else is his creation. Srishti. Jab tak Srishti hai, tab tak Atma hai. So that was exactly what I told the kid that I'm telling you. Because that's the answer I got. इसको कहते हैं दिव्य विद्या. From nothingness, out of a question through meditation, ध्यान करने से ये मुझे प्राप्त हुआ. तो ऐसे ऐसे बहुत से प्रश्न हैं, लोगों के पास जवाब नहीं होता है. अगर आपके पास कोई प्रश्न हो, उस पर आप ध्यान करें. अगर आपको डिफिकल्टी हो तो मुझसे संपर्क करें. I'll guide you to find the answers. We all seek. I mean, not seek. We all search. We're all searching for things. बोले सीख लो. Search. सीख कहते हैं lessons को. We are all seeking, but we don't want to do the work, the lesson, the homework to achieve what we are seeking. We all know that we must do puja, पाठ, भक्ति, भावना, ये सब करना है. But या हो जाएगा, साल में एक दफे हो गया, वो good. और मंदिर चला गया, माथा टेक लिया, good. तो ऐसे एक बार एक सदस्य आए मेरे पास और कहा, पंडित जी, लगता आप थोड़ा गलत बोल रहे हो. मैंने क्या बात? उसने कहा, हवन करो, हफ्ता में, महीना में, हवन करो. बोले हम सोचता, बोले मंदिर में जाओ, माथा टेक लो, भगवान सब माफ कर दो. मैंने तो बहुत अच्छा बात यार. उन्होंने कहा, तुम बिहान सवेरे यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वाशिंगटन जाना, माथा टेक के एक डिप्लोमा लेना. Is it possible? He instantly got the answer to himself. I said, इसी तरह मंदिर में जाते हो ठीक है, माथा टेकते हो, मगर प्रार्थना भी करना चाहिए. और अगर अपने घर में मंदिर हो तो कहीं जाने की काम नहीं. अब खाना बनाना नहीं जानते तो रेस्टोरेंट जाओगे, घर में पूजा करने की जगह नहीं तो मंदिर जाओगे. खाना बनाना और मंदिर जाना दोनों घर नहीं हो सकता. और सबसे बड़ा मंदिर तो ये शरीर है. This is the abode of the soul. And where does the soul come from? The Creator. So we have the Creator within us. And we say, संस्कृत के एक मंत्र है, अहम ब्रह्म अस्मि. जो पिंड में वो ब्रह्मांड में, जो ब्रह्मांड में वो पिंड है. पिंड शरीर को कहते हैं. और ये शरीर को हम कहते हैं, ये भौतिक शरीर है, स्थूल शरीर है. यानी कि ये जो तत्व है, इस पृथ्वी में भी उतने परसेंटेज के तत्व है. In the same proportion. Isn't that amazing? We are of this earth, but our soul is not of this earth. It is not from this plane of existence. So to understand ourselves is not. We know that now we all know we're not this body, right? This body is our temporary vehicle. This body is named Sunil. Some people call this body daddy. Some people call this body son. Some say nephew. This body has a lot of names. And when someone dies, we don't take the name. We say, put the body there, put the body there. Because there's no identity. Once we die, our identity is gone. The only thing that goes with us is our karma. Everything that we do is recorded. Just like on your computer, every keystroke is recorded. You know that. How invasive is that? Likewise, God is such as invasive as Bill Gates was when he's writing the software. Yeah? And why? Just like parents want to oversee everything the children do until they come to a stage where they can be on their own. Likewise, God will guide us, look at us, prepare us until such time that He knows we are prepared We know now. This person knows the secret of life. That means I don't need to guide him anymore. When this person leaves his or her body, the journey will continue. We'll go out of this chakra of birth, old age, disease, death, rebirth. We are in this, after 8.6 million cycles, we get this human body, and this human body is the only body capable of doing everything we are doing. I've never seen a dog build its own kennel. Humans do it. I haven't seen any other animal fend for themselves except charo, grass. Right? Even then we have to guide them. For them, we are Pashupati. But within ourselves, we are still Pashu. We are not Pashupati until we come to realize that this body is just a temporary vehicle for the soul to experience certain things on this planetary system. So everything I've been saying and doing in the last 3 days, I've probably repeated some of it over and over. Repetition helps us to understand. It keeps stamping on us. They say if you want to be steadfast in whatever you want to do it continuously for 21 days, it becomes a habit. It's a known fact now, everyone is doing that. 21 days minimum, you are able to do it with your eyes closed. So, this body has a covering called clothing. This body is the covering for the soul. कल हवन के बाद हम 3 जन जाके नीचे कुछ बातचीत किए थे, उसके विषय में मैं थोड़ा जांच पड़ताल देता हूँ आप लोगों को। हमारा जो शरीर है उसमें 5 कोश होते हैं, 5 layers। पहला है अन्नमय कोश, दूसरा है प्राणमय कोश, तीसरा है मनोमय कोश, चौथा है ज्ञानमय कोश और पांचवा है आनंदमय कोश। पहला जो है अन्नमय कोश, अन्न का मतलब क्या है? फूड। दिस बॉडी इज आवर फूड बॉडी। इट ओनली सर्वाइव्स विद फूड थोड़ा। विदाउट फूड दिस बॉडी इज नो गुड। सेकंड इज प्राणमय कोश। प्राण इज द एयर वी ब्रीथ इन through pranayam. Then the subtle body becomes the pranayam or pranamaya kosh. Mind body is manomaya kosh. We have a mind that is the conscious part that connects us to our intellect, jnanamaya kosh. Without the mind, without learning, we don't have intelligence. चित्त है मगर बुद्धि नहीं। जैसे कंप्यूटर है, सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं। Once we get to that level of ज्ञानमय कोश, ये जो आउटर लेयर है जिसमें हमारे आत्मा विराजमान रहते हैं, मनोमय क्या कहा था मैंने? आनंदमय कोश। Anandamaya kosh is the blissful phase. That's where the spirit wants to be. We go to certain places that make us feel good. When you are young, you like to go disco. It makes you feel good. And as you go older, you like to go to the mandir satsang. Makes you feel good. You are hungry, you go to nice restaurants and you eat. You feel good. The only way our soul feels good is when we are blissful. When we are happy within ourselves. You look at people, hey, how's it going? You have a smile on your face. That person will, contagious. Smile is contagious. And that person will become, want to know why is this person so happy? I have to attach myself, rub my shoulders with this person. So I can be just like this person. Isn't it so? Isn't it what we want? We want to associate with people who show, the people who glow. You'll know your aura when you pass people say, oh wow, man, strong aura. You'll know. Those who know and know, they will know. So that's what we need to do. We need to find those happy mediums, those happy spirits. They might be in this plane of existence or in another solar system, another galaxy, another constellation. Who cares? You can connect anywhere. Now we have internet. We can connect to any website. All we need is one IP address that your ISP gives you. We have that IP address, and we have the username. And I gave you the password yesterday. What was the password? Gayatri Mantra.
Yes, that's it.
Gayatri Mantra is the password to get into the Akashic record. वैसे भी गायत्री मंत्र बोलने का ढंग है। मैं आप लोगों को बताता हूँ, गायत्री मंत्र का जब उच्चारण करते हो पहले 3 बार ओम की ध्वनि करें। इससे अंदर की जो श्वास है, जो नाड़ियां, वो साफ हो जाएगी। अंदर की जो चैनल है, अपने पीठ को, रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधा रखें और बड़े सभ्यता से, लिसन टू मी फर्स्ट, बड़े सभ्यता से, प्रेरणा से गायत्री मंत्र का उच्चारण इस तरह करें। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ऐसे गायत्री मंत्र का उच्चारण करते हैं। If you look at the pattern, it's your heartbeat, your EKG. That's how you. I've studied this, and I'm like, this is amazing. So the more Gayatri Mantra I recite, the more my heart is in conformance with the rhythm of the beat. Isn't that amazing? I didn't know this, but one day I just thought, hey, wait a minute, this seems to be like a pattern. So I looked at my old EKG that I had done when I was doing X number of years. I'm like, wow, hey, oh good, so that's okay. All right, I'm good. So if you keep reciting this mantra, the vibration will cause your heart to beat in that rhythm for longevity of life. Right? So I'm looking for sugar stuff, I'm looking for dementia stuff. So I'm looking for all these things. And as I find, and I'll share it with you guys, don't worry. I love sharing. It's free to give, right? It doesn't cost me anything. And if it can do good to me, it can do good to everybody. So that is my goal, at least, before I leave this school. Any questions? I've been talking a lot. Think of a question while I take a sip of water.
जैसे आप कहा ना, दिल एक मंदिर है, तो मैं गाना भी बना दूँ हिंदुस्तानी में, true saying. Your heart is your world.
Yeah.
It is true. I mean, just अच्छा आदमी लोग बोले जैसे मंदिर तुम जाओ, भगवान की पूजा करो या भगवान पर जिंदा बनो। अब for example देखो stone में कौन किया, उसके पास ना हवा है ना कुछ खाए, still grows, right? तुम्हें तो भगवान के पावर होता है ना?
Yeah. तो हमें ये जानना है कि ईश्वर निराकार है या साकार है। If God is Swambhav means self-manifest, and He has manifested everything else. So you can say, yeah, I see God in everything. I see God in humans. I see God in animals. I see God in trees, plants, stones, mountains. It's a good way to understand that God is omnipresent. But why go outside when God is already in you?
That's what I'm saying. Your deeds are your,
Yeah. So if you find that the living spirit in me is the very spirit, it's like did I mention about grain of sand in the desert?
Yes.
Something like that. We are just grains of sand in this desert that is His creation. That is why we need pratyahar. We need to take an inward journey. Forget about everything that's happening outside. It will happen. Whether we are here or not, it will happen. But whatever is happening here is short-lived. One day it will not happen. Then we'll say, oh, I should have done it. So that is why it's very important. Why do our scriptures talk about meditation? Everybody talks about meditation. Every book I read about any scriptures I read is,
No.
talks about dhyan, meditation, upasana, vinti karte hain. Upasana is devotion. Devote some time, that's devotion. You don't need to devote your whole day to doing something as far as spirituality is concerned. You can spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, that's a lot. But the idea of devotion is to have a rhythm. Like we wake up at 6 a.m., we go to bed at 10 p.m. We create a rhythm so that the circadian rhythm is in conformance with the way we are. Then we create a schedule, right? And then we follow the schedule. Then it becomes second nature. As soon as this upasana thing becomes second nature, you are one step closer to finding the truth about yourself. And your truth is your truth. Nobody can change it. Nobody can argue with it. Nobody can steal it. It's your truth. And you go with that truth. And if you're not sure if this is the truth or not, talk to me. I'll tell you. Tweak it. Tweak this. Tweak that. You'll get the right truth. The right path. The path of righteousness. धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ठीक है?
We done?
No? Are you in a hurry to go somewhere?
Oh no, I don't even have a flight yet.
Do you have a flight to catch?
No.
Don't have
No, she doesn't.
Oh, she doesn't. Okay. I do, but you know.
We all have a flight.
We all have a
Eventually,
flight. Eventually.
life.
Yeah, exactly. Another 10 minutes, I'll be done. So, what gonna do? Say, okay, time for blessings. Keep seated. All of you, keep seated.
I have one person coming.